For retail customers, they prefer to use PDQ and pallet for package. And if you do wholesale or installation, raw package will be enough. For cheap natural grass, the warranty is 1 year. But for artificial landscaping grass and sport grass, the warranty is 5 years outdoor. We can produce different DTEX and density for the grass. Of course, the higher DTEX and density, the higher price. So, if you have any needs on their specification, just contact us. Sunwing has exported over 50 countries, such as USA, UK, Australia, Canada, and so on. So, where are you come from? Please tell us. We can recommend our hot selling models for your market.